The new Super Radiant Booster is limited edition. The formula delivers a beautiful radiance to all skin tones. First, I'm going to apply the Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. Apply with your fingertips, starting in the center of the face, blending outward. A little goes a long way. This full coverage foundation applies evenly, is lightweight, and gives full coverage, and lasts 16 hours. For areas that need a little bit more coverage, I like to use Radiant Creamy Concealer. This formula covers dark circles and brightens the eye. I'm blending the Super Radiance Booster on the high points of the face. Using my fingertips, I'm applying a small amount of product to the cheekbones, revealing a pearlescent glow where the light would naturally hit. I'm placing a small amount of the product down the center of the nose to create instant dimension and lift. Another way to use this product is to take a small amount and apply it to the Cupid's bow. This one shade is perfect for every skin tone. It's universal, making it essential in my makeup kit. The new Super Radiant Booster is a great way to amp up the glow to any complexion product. It's so versatile, you can use it under foundation, over foundation, or even mix it into foundation. Apply with your fingertips, starting in the center of the face, and blending and shearing the product all over. For a lighter radiant glow, use the product sparingly. I love how smooth this product applies and blends. The Super Radiant Booster looks great under any NARS foundation, but today, I'm going to use Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. When applying the foundation, I recommend working in sections, blending and building the foundation as needed. It makes the skin look fresh, radiant, and beautiful.